Affleck was seen shopping in Los Angeles with his 12-year-old son Samuel just days after breaking his silence on his divorce from Jennifer Lopez. The Oscar winner kept it casual in a shirt, jacket, and jeans, while Samuel, whom he shares with ex-wife Jennifer Garner, along with daughters Violet and Finn, tagged along in an all-white sweatshirt at the Westfield Century City Mall. At times, Affleck appeared visibly tense, perhaps due to his recent admission that he found his support from Lopez. Embarrassing, a source told the reporter that Affleck spoke out about the April 2024 breakup for the first time because he was so over the narrative portraying him as the villain and Lopez as the victim. The insider also noted that Affleck hopes their split won't overshadow the release of Kiss of the Spider-Woman, the upcoming film they worked on together. Just this week, it was confirmed that the movie musical starring Lopez and co-produced by Affleck had secured a theatrical release for the fall. Also regarding their movie, Ben is trying to get the deal locked, the source revealed. He really does want this to succeed and not be overshadowed by their drama, which happened to Unstoppable. Last week, in a break from his norm, the notoriously private actor shed some light on the breakdown of his marriage in an interview with British GQ. After years of staying tight-lipped about their romance, a source told the reporter that he made the decision to speak out about the breakup publicly for the first time because he was so over the narrative that painted him as the bad guy and Lopez the victim. The Batman actor reportedly also hoped it would give him the closure that he desperately needed and stop the constant question about their split so he can move on and focus on his career and family. He is so over this divorce and the narrative that he was grumpy and that Jen was a victim. That insider revealed after being married in July 2022, the former couple were separated 19 months later. In April of last year, that source maintained Affleck never planned to address their divorce publicly but ultimately felt he needed to clear the air, following his ex-wife's show comments to Interview magazine last October. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more celebrity updates.